What are access modifiers in Java? Access modifiers in Java are used to control the visibility of variables, methods, classes, and constructors. In simple terms, the scope of the variables, methods, and constructors and classes will be defined based on the modifier. In Java, we have four access modifiers. Private. Private members of a class cannot be accessed outside the class. If we define any variable, method or constructor as private, then that members can be applicable only within a class only. Outside the class we cannot able to access. And this private keyword we cannot able to use for outer classes. So private keyword we can able to use for variables, methods and constructors, and inner classes we can use, but outer classes we cannot use. Default. Default members of a class are visible within a package in which they are defined. So default members of a class are visible within a package only. From outside the from different package we cannot able to access default members. Next is protected. Protected members of a class are visible within a package only. From outside the package we cannot able to see protected members also, but these protected members can be inherited to its subclasses outside the package. We can able to define protected members for variables, methods and constructors and inner classes, but not for outer classes. And the next is public. Public members are visible everywhere. Let us see the pictorial representation so that we can able to remember easily. Consider we have a package A and it has two classes, class A and class B. In class A we have private, default, protected and public members, and when we are trying to access from class B, that is when we are trying to access from class B, whether we are able to access all the members or not, we'll see. Private members, as we know, private members are applicable only within a class, so we cannot able to access outside the class. Default members, protected members and public members, within a package we can able to happily access in other class. So now we have another package name called B and we have another class is C. So let us try to access class A members from class C. So private members we cannot able to access because they are applicable within a class only. Default members, so default members will be applicable within a package only. From outside the package we cannot able to access default members. Protected members also applicable within a package only. From outside the package we cannot able to access them, but we can able to inherit them. That is, in outside the in another package, if we create a subclass for that protected members class, then that time that protected members will be inherited, so that we can able to access them. And public members, these public members of a class we can able to access from anywhere. For more information about access modifiers with the examples, link added in the description.